Hello guys and welcome to my channel, and today we will teach you how to download model from Swift AI and run on Stable Diffusion. Okay, let's start. First step, we will select in this and select model and select model do you need. I need the SHIP chips. And enter. Oh no, this. Okay, I will select the animal. I select animal and enter animal. Here, download this model. Animal Crossing, yes. Here the model is in this, and close tab and open Finder and go to download. In here it have this. Open the storage bay, go to Stable Diffusion. Okay, I will reproceed redoing again. First step, click the storage bay and this and grow this and go to download and this and do this. Here, right, go to Stable Diffusion model and the Stable Diffusion in this, and select this model and paste in this. Okay, now and I will launch the Stable Diffusion web UI in this cd directory to root directory, cd to root directory, cd to volume storage bay and Stable Diffusion. Enter and select this command web UI.sh and enter. Alright, web UI is launched. Now we'll select model in this. Select model in this and select the cat in this and generate. Click this and see in the terminal. Alright, generate image is success, and we will go to this. Here the cat, nice cat. Okay, thanks for watching. I hope you like my video. Goodbye.